Hey, this is Ronnie. Today I'm working on a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500 and I'm going to be doing a windshield washer bottle replacement. So I stopped in on AutoZone, picked up a new bottle and a few hand tools. For a complete list of what you need, check the description below. Let's get to work. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start up top here. Get this battery tray out of the way so I can see where we're going to go from there. The location of the bottle is behind this battery tray, tucked up underneath the core support. I'll get this tray out of here so I can assess the situation a little further. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, there is the bottle. I see one bolt on top. I'm going to go ahead and move underneath. Try to pull that fender out, the inner fender out a little bit. Give myself some access to drain this thing and pull the bolts out of the bottom. Slide the bottle out. Alright, so I'm going to start down below here. Just going to try to drop this inner fender out a little bit. I'm going to try to avoid having to pull it all the way out. See how this goes. Get some access in here. Trying to avoid pulling the tire off as well. I know the bottle can come out from the top. I just need to get the bolts out from below. There's our bottle there. Let's see, you can get a bolt out there. Alright, before I pull these bolts out of here, the bottle's pretty straightforward. There's one hose for your, that go to your washer lines ahead to your wipers. I'm going to unhook this so I can drain it. Hopefully it'll drain. Oh, there goes that. While that's draining, I'll go ahead and head back to the bolts. Okay. Last bolt while it's draining. There's two small connectors. One's for the low washer fluid sensor. The other one's for the pump itself. Very easy to pop off. I'll go ahead and lower it right into my drain pan. Hopefully I will not make a mess. There we go. There we have the removal process. So now I can just dump this. The sensor and the pump are both held in with grommets. So we're just going to try to pry this apart. It's just a slip fit. There's the pump. Gently ease these out without breaking them. There's the sensor. There went that. I'll put that back together in a minute. I also have the nuts. Reuse these on the new bottle. There we go. Okay. There's one. There's the other. Pump. Okay, both seated in there. Hopefully it'll rest there. I'll go to the top. Okay, Throw the top bolt in and hold it up. I won't tighten it. I'm just going to kind of run it in to get it held into position. Go down below, hook everything up, put the lower bolts in, get this plate back in, fill it up. All right, wash your hose. Pump motor connection right here. And the connection is right here. And there we go. I can start putting the rest of the bolts in, put the fender back in, and fill it up. Okay. I'll test out the pump, make sure it works, check for leaks. Got no leaks, we're in good shape. All right. And for more helpful videos, please like and subscribe.